Did you know that every minute, over 500 hours of video get uploaded to YouTube? That's a lot of content to sift through. So, to make your YouTube journey a bit easier, today we're going to delve into the world of the most subscribed and viewed YouTube channels this year. First on the list, we have T-Series, a channel that has taken YouTube by storm. This Indian record label, which specializes in Hindi film soundtracks and indie pop music, holds the crown as the most subscribed YouTube channel. With their constant stream of new music and vibrant videos, it's no wonder they've garnered such a following. Moving on, we have the channel of the charismatic MrBeast. Known for his elaborate giveaways and challenges, he has managed to become the highest-paid YouTuber. His channel is a testament to the power of creativity and generosity in the YouTube community. Next up, we have CoComelon. This channel provides educational content for children and is a favorite among parents and kids alike. Its catchy tunes and vibrant animations make learning fun and engaging. And then there's Set India, another channel that has gained a strong following. They offer a diverse range of content that caters to all demographics, making it a go-to channel for many Indians. The Kids Diana Show is another channel to keep your eye on. This channel features a young girl named Diana and her day-to-day adventures. The channel's relatable content has made it a hit among children worldwide. Other channels that have made a significant impact include Vlad and Nikki, like Nastya, PewDiePie, Z Music Company, and WWE. These channels have managed to attract viewers with a mix of quality content, frequent uploads, and engaging themes. Now, let's take a look at the most viewed channels. Once again, T-Series takes the top spot. Their engaging music videos and frequent uploads keep viewers coming back for more. Following closely behind is CoComelon, with its educational content for kids. Set India also ranks high on the list, proving that variety in content can lead to high viewership. In summary, T-Series, with its captivating music videos, holds the title of the most subscribed and most viewed YouTube channel. On the other hand, MrBeast, with his unique content and generous giveaways, is the highest-paid YouTuber. Channels like CoComelon, Set India, and Kids Diana Show also have a strong following due to their engaging and varied content. So there you have it. These are the channels that have managed to stand out in the vast sea of YouTube content. They've found their niche, connected with their audience, and consistently deliver content that keeps viewers coming back for more. So, next time you're on YouTube, why not check them out? You might just find your new favorite channel.